Ultimate 808s is the latest completely free sound pack update to be added to GarageBand for iOS's sound library. Half of you watching this will be thinking, great, finally some decent 808 sounds in GarageBand. And the other half of you will probably be thinking, what the f is an 808? And that's fair enough. In fact, if you don't make the particular genre of music that Apple is targeting with this sound pack, you might just end up feeling a wee bit disappointed with this one. A quick primer for those who are unfamiliar with the term 808. The Roland TR-808 was an analog synthesis-based drum machine released back in the early 80s that was only manufactured in limited quantities and has went on to become one of the most influential inventions in popular music. Anyway, back to the sound pack. Add thunderous low end to your beats with a collection of earth-shaking 808 basses and next-level electronic drum sounds. Give your beat that extra bounce with hi-hat Apple loops, or play your own pitched hi-hats on the GarageBand keyboard. Ultimate 808s is a unique and modern spin on the iconic TR-808 drum machine, taking beats to new sub-sonic depths, subwoofer not included. Included in this pack are 21 Alchemy bass patches, 20 drum kits, 15 hi-hat keyboard instruments, and over 50 hi-hat Apple loops. This pack is all very bass and rhythm focused, but if you've been on the lookout for some decent 808 sounds, I think you'll like what's on offer here. As a guitarist and semi-professional rock god, the contents of this pack have left me feeling kinda blue. In fact, the only thing that can perk me up now is if you hit that like button down below. So go ahead and help put that spring back in my step and show me some thumb love down below. Unlike other previously released sound packs that come with all the instruments and rhythm sounds you need to build a full project from them, Ultimate 808s is laser focused on providing you a couple of genre-specific tools that you can add to other sounds. This isn't necessarily a bad approach though. This focused approach might prove more useful to you in the long run as opposed to just a giant big collection of sounds in one particular style. Provided you're actually into hip-hop or trap, of course. At first, I was a little bit confused with some of the contents, the hi-hat loops in particular. Like, it seems like a strange inclusion to only have hi-hat loops in there. However, if you pair these hi-hat loops with an existing drummer track, you can create some really unique sounds. Trap beat music making people in particular will love these hi-hat loops, as they capture that clicky, arrhythmic feel that toppers in that genre are known for. All of the new Alchemy 808 sounds are fantastic, and sound great whether you're straight up playing them or using a different MIDI loop and swapping out its original sound for one of these new bass sounds. The beat sequencer patterns and kits are fantastic as well, giving hip-hop and trap producers some authentic sounding beats. Having said that, the patterns and beats on offer here sound so good that you can easily inject them into projects from other genres too with no issues. So to sum up, I think you'll either really like the sounds included in this pack, or they'll leave you feeling, as I said at the start, a little bit disappointed. This pack definitely isn't for everyone, but if you are a hip-hop or trap producer, I think you'll find a lot here to like. Let me know your thoughts on the pack in the comments down below. If you want the lowdown on more of GarageBand for iOS's sound pack content, then click right here. Take care of yourself. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.